Hey guys, what's going on? When I'm not trucking around or YouTubing, I'm hanging out watching Life is Good on the beaches of the world. Come on.
7:50. Hang on, driving here, driving, holding the cell phone. Oh my gosh, somebody gonna call the po-po. We spent all day yesterday with well, let's put this on this side so you can see crap. One of my drivers yesterday, he's in town, picking up just up the road here, at the shop getting the front end alignment done, and he told me one of my trailer lights, my turn signal wasn't blinking, and the one in the middle of the trailer, so I went up here to check it out. Spent all day on that crap, so troubleshot it, because they're LEDs, but for whatever reason the LED side of the blinker wasn't blinking, and that's an out of service violation, so I had to run all the way to Chattanooga. It's about 30 miles from here to Truck Pro to get the LED light, and then go home and get a drill to drill out the pop rivets and put it in. It wasn't exactly a direct fit, but I bought a better one that I like better. I'll show you when we get up here. But anyway, yesterday his APU went out, and it was just 98 degrees yesterday, and he didn't want to get under the thing, take the pan off. So this morning he called me and said he figured out what it was, a broken belt. So 20 years of trucking, I understand the dilemma, the problems of scoring, parts and service on the road. So O'Reilly's had a belt, so I said, well, I'll go by O'Reilly's, get the belt, and bring some torch bits, and hopefully we can get this APU going, because I know what it's like living on the road without the APU. You miss it. Once you guys get used to them, they are a valuable asset to getting proper rest and everything else. So I said I can't help him get that thing going, and because getting it junked on the road sucks, So anyway, so let's go up here and see if we can't get this APU straightened out. Factory. Here's the factory style, which are flat. I don't like those because a car can't really see them. So in my opinion, they're always worthless. I like this kind that I bought to put over here. So it's got the little bump out, so you can see that a lot better. I could go up and turn them on so you can see the difference. But see, I like how that bumps out. Let's go do that. I'm gonna go turn them on. Yeah, he's already unhooked, so I can't show you the turn signal. So we'll pull him and get a light down. We got new torsion bars, new shocks, and just want to put those tires on. We'll get it fixed up. Didn't get to fix it. Called in for alignment. I'm gonna go back home. We'll fix it later. That's my tools. We're out of here. Anyway, too many interruptions there. I was going to show you that. Couldn't show you the lights working because they called him into the shop to do the front end alignment. So anyway, these old trailers are holding up nice. We'll look in the back of it while we're here, but I like to check out my tires and see how they're wearing, but they have never been rotated, and they look like they're wearing about the same. That's a good thing about this Hyundai versus utility. You can keep tires on front axle. Well, I shouldn't say that, but I just got a friend of mine that has that experience. But anyway, so yeah, these are holding up really well. It's amazing. So this thing's what, a year and a half old, and he's been pulling it ever since it was new. And so yeah, she's holding up. We had an automotive rack go through the roof right there. Didn't get that bash. Where's it at? Is it right there? See it? Right sure to get that closed back up because he may not chicken. But he's really good at doing pre-trips. So, looks like we lost one tag boat. Let's make sure these other ones are tight. Yeah, they're good. They're good. Now let's go home, boys and girls. My job here is done. Get in the old Mega Prius and go to the house here, Roger. See ya.
I'm Tom Thumb from Pittstown, New Jersey. When I'm not working in the garden, I'm checking out idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on.